Wow, potato. Yellow potato. Potato means aloo. Wow, tomato. Red tomato. Tomato means tomato. Wow, brinjal. Bagni brinjal. Brinjal means bangan. Wow, radish. Red radish. Radish means mooli. Wow, onions. Onions. Pink onions. Onions means pyaz. Wow, garlic. White garlic. Garlic means lahsan. Wow, lady finger. Green lady finger. Lady finger means bhindi. Wow, cauliflower. White cauliflower. Cauliflower means phool gobi. Wow, this is a pumpkin. Pumpkin means Loki. Wow, carrot. Orange carrot. Carrot means gajar. Oh, what is this? Oh, ginger. Ginger means adrak. Ooh, chili. Spicy chili. Chili means mirch. Ooh, this is a capsicum. Capsicum means Shimla mirch. Oh, this is a spinach. Green spinach. Spinach means palak. Wow, yum cucumber. Cucumber means kheera. This is a jackfruit. Jackfruit means kathal. Mushroom. Mushrooms means mushroom. Wow, beetroot. Red beetroot. Beetroot means chucandar. Broccoli. Green broccoli. Broccoli means gobi. Asparagus. Green asparagus. Asparagus means शतावरी, एक सुस्वादु सब्जी जो ठंडे देश में होती है.